SATA, bringing German engineering to the UK. Hello, my name is Matt Stevens from SATA UK and welcome back to our SATA UK YouTube channel. Today a short video about the SATA Care Set, which will help you with your maintenance of your SATA spray guns. Okay, let's unfold the Care Set. Velcro keeps it secure. Here we can see the various size compartments to store your maintenance items in. When you purchase the kit, you get a large cleaning brush here. You get 5 of the medium cleaning brushes with the vertical downward brush, which is ideal for cleaning the difficult to reach areas of your spray gun. Then we have the much smaller double-ended cleaning brush, again for apertures, etc. There we go. And we then have, and I don't think I can show these to you, but these actually are what we call nozzle cleaning needles. There's 12 in the pack, and they actually were derived from something SATA made before they made spray guns, when they were involved in the dentistry industry. And if you can see that, it's very fine and very flexible, which means it's safe to use on your very sensitive air caps. Now every air cap, whatever the manufacturer, has lots of tiny holes in it, and this needle allows you to go into each one of them and ensure they're absolutely clear. They come in a pack of 12. Then we finally have the very, very versatile SATA silicone-free gun grease. This can be applied to any moving part in the spray gun, and in the previous YouTube video we actually showed you how you can use it to make quick release couplings move more easily in the coupling bodies. The reason that we don't have tools, etc. in all of these compartments is because when you buy a SATA spray gun, you automatically get a toolkit with it. Now the SATA toolkit generally comprises of this item here, which is the tool that is used for removing the air distribution insert on those guns that have it. Of course, as we all know, the X5500 no longer does. So that can be popped into there. We've also got an Allen key, very useful. Then we have another cleaning brush and a gravity filter. The important bits, however, are the multi-spanner here, which is perfect for removing fluid tips, connectors off the bottom of the gun and so on. That can slide in there. We also have this T-tool, and the T-tool is in fact very, very useful because number one, we've got on the top here, if I turn it round, you'll see a little half circle which allows you to take the battery cover off the spray guns. We've also got a Torx here which allows you to remove the fan cover on the SATA Jet 5000 series. Then on this end we have another Torx. This allows you to remove, amongst other things, the air micrometer on the spray gun. And then right in here you might see a little bit of a thread and then a hex. Now this is for removing the material seal from inside the spray gun. So essentially you slide it through and this hexagon bit engages on the seal retainer. You pull that out. Now often the seal doesn't come out as well, so we slide it back in, gently thread that into the Teflon seal and then pull it out. We'll cover that in more detail in another video. I mentioned previously that this multi-spanner was the perfect tool for maintaining a spray gun. They're still very useful, but you'll find with all new SATA spray guns that you're purchasing, we've now taken that out of the kit and replaced it with this plastic unit. The reason we've done that is because over time, using a metal spanner, you can sometimes damage the fluid tip if it slips. If it does slip, this is plastic, there'll be no damage. We're going to cover this in more detail in another video because there is other reasons that this is very, very useful for, in particular, the SATA Jet X5500. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you found it useful. Now, as always, we're going to put the part numbers, etc. for the products we've spoken about below. You can purchase them through a local dealer or follow the link to our SATA Webshop. Thank you. Thank you for watching. We would be most grateful if you would like this video and subscribe to our channel. In addition, please feel free to comment below on subjects you would like us to cover. Many thanks.